All right, so turns out with this guy, it wasn't precise enough because I only need about 10 psi of propane in this middle pipe for this to fire. So this just doesn't measure low enough. So I got this other one. So right now I'm sitting, I just let some in this part of the chamber. So I'm sitting at 66. I'm gonna let about 10 psi into here and then we'll fire off. So this is just a test fire. So let's do about 10. All right, so that was like 14. All right, so we'll pump it into here. All right, I'm gonna take this little ball out and